आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा पीछे से, बता दो।
फोन लाइट इतना फेस पे मार रहा है
अपना भाई इधर खड़ा।
कहाँ पे?
To ask anything about the Oscar journey last time.
Yeah.
Because now
It's all
yeah, it's all
and you have initiated and
yeah, and the weird film travel, how many
Where all?
festivals and where,
Bulbul.
yeah, that's
Are we ready?
Wait.
okay.
मैम थोड़ा स्ट्रेट में जो कैमरा
Straight back, no?
बस परफेक्ट।
Can we start? Deepa, congratulations. Yet another global journey with Bulbul Can Sing. And, going ahead, we would want to know how did this project happen? And it's a wonderful title, Bulbul Can Sing. And what is the film all about?
Thank you. Hello, everyone. And I'm really happy. Like after Village Rockstars, also we had really exciting journey with Bulbul Can Sing. And during the time of Village Rockstars, I explored children's life. And with Bulbul Can Sing, I explored adolescence and teenage years. So when I was shooting Village Rockstars, that time only it came to my mind that now I'm working with children. What is next? And I also love being with children, and then I thought let's also work with young people, because teenage is a very delicate age, and where like your dreams and aspirations and your parents and society's aspirations, their expectations is very different. So it's a very complicated time for like teenage people. And also, like what I have found, that there are not many films we are making in India for children and teenage and young people. So it's very important, because there is a gap between young people and adult now. To decrease that gap, I think we need to make more and more films for children and young people, and they are also our future story, filmmakers and storytellers. So I thought it's very important. Yeah, yes,
Deepa, you've always brought about the rural India.
right.
Is there an affinity, or is this been your, they always say there's an emotional connect when you are
Yes.
trying to bring about cinema. So is that the reason that we see the second film where we, seeing the rural India? So
Yes. See, the thing is, interesting part is, I was in Assam when I was making my first film, Antardishti Manita Binoculars, and then in my village only, it's like stories coming to me. So I am not able to get out from my village because so many stories are there. That is one thing. And also living in Mumbai, what I have realized, that it's very important, we now the time we connect with nature, and the human emotions is all over. Like now films are traveling to different corner of the world, and our emotions is same. It's nothing like rural or urban. And I'm amazed that the Village Rockstars and Bulbul Can Sing, is connecting the people, youngsters from urban also area. That's very interesting for me. And I'm born and brought up there. I know my village, I know my people, so I'm very comfortable, and I have body of experience, and that is also helping me. And it's working, and it's beautiful because people, they want to see something fresh and original. And I just thought it cannot be better than my village. Yes.
Also talking about any interesting experience while making this film, and the thought that came that no, I want this particular idea to
Right.
reach out to people, and you are connecting with the audience globally. So it is
Yes.
not, there's no earlier there used to be a thin line between commercial cinema and non-commercial cinema, where you
Right.
reached out widely to everybody.
Yes.
So what do you have to say about that?
It's great because I mostly in the beginning I thought I'm making movies for festivals, because that time after started watching world cinema, I realized I want to make movies which goes to festival. That was my idea, and my movies are also, it's not very structured, and there is no background score, only sound. So but I'm amazed that Village Oxes and Bulbul, they have their own audience, a new class of audience rising now. It's very interesting that we thought that this is the mindset of the people audience, but it's not. It's breaking. The stereotype is breaking, and also with OTT platforms. So I see that Village Oxes and Bulbul, they are having a larger, wider audience, not restricted. It's not restricted to only film festivals and that limited who are coming to festivals and the critics, but a wider audience they are enjoying. And the film just released in Assam, all over Assam, almost more than 30 theaters, and is going houseful, and people are, the interesting part is what I have realized, and I can see that people are, because we are still a small production house, and we are not able to do much. We are suffering for from like low marketing and promotion, but the people, they are taking part. They are saying that it's our own movie. उन लोग पोस्टर लगा रहे हैं, they are sharing on social media, and writing, they are like rally हो रहा है असम में. So also when I'm posting, we are posting on Facebook or other Twitters, Instagram, people from all over India, different states, cities, like from Odisha, from Kolkata, from Bangalore, from Hyderabad, Chennai, all are writing and they want to see the movie. So it's a big, it is not my success. I think all like who are not privileged to make movies, earlier we thought the newcomers, the youngsters who really want to do something, for them is a great news. Yes.
Also talking about the state, you brought about your state, Assam, quite a lot in both the films, I must say. So, what is the reason being, state-centric and not reaching out to, the other forms or other part of India?
No, it's not like that. I'm now writing. I'm living in Mumbai more than 10 years now. So, right now, I want to make movies where I feel like I belong. I know the people, culture, their lifestyle. So, I feel like Mumbai is my second home, and I'm very much comfortable here. And I feel like I know people also here. So, that's the reason my next film we are going to make in Bombay. So I'll be making, because Assam, I feel like it is not explored properly, and there are lots of contents in Northeast. So definitely I have that responsibility to make movies there. So there I will be always making movies in Assam and Northeast, and definitely in Mumbai. So we are in Hindi language. We are going to start a movie in Mumbai very soon. Yes.
So talking about the casting, how did you select, and what is the procedure when you're casting? Because your characters are very real. Sometimes they say this is just the
Right.
act casting. So how is that whole process? Because I believe they're not actors to that extent.
It it always, my instincts works. I think it is like the way you go and buy something, or your love, it is just your individual taste, that also matters. And also I like to cast people kind of, it like professional or non-professional, it doesn't matter. For like Village Oxes and Bulbul Can Sing, they are mostly first-time actor, but I like actors who, they surrender, they trust me, who are more transparent, because they should believe in me. Then my confidence level also, it helps, it rises. So that's how, that is my process, and it is nothing hard and fast rules. It depends on the script also, and it just, honestly speaking, for both of my films, I didn't, there was no auditions, it just kind of, they were there and I just needed to pick up like right ones, and it was, everything happened so spontaneously. I think it's a blessings for me that everything happened, but in future also when I'm casting, now I'm collaborating here also with some actors from Bombay, so I always see like how we can collaborate. It is not very technical, that emotional bonding is very important for me. Yes.
When it comes to a wish list, talking about Bollywood, and you're writing yourself, so who do you have in mind that you would like to cast in your next film?
Now, very soon, I am working with Tilottama Shome. I would like to work with many. It depends on my script, but there are lots of good actors, and wishlist is also long, and it depends on the script, I think. But there are lots of actors, talented actors in Bollywood, and depending on the script, we are going to approach them. Yes.
When it comes to Priyanka, Kangana, or Deepika, or even,
Yes.
For that matter, anybody you feel that would be able to portray the kind of film that you would like to represent?
See, anyone can, I feel like if you are, it is more important, like for me, if you are a star also, how not giving mm, like more importance to yourself. That's more important. As a director, I know, oh, he is Shah Rukh Khan, I know that she is Deepika Padukone, I know that she is Kangana, but let's us decide that you are important, but we need, as a director, I feel like you need to be, you need to be in the character, so that's more important. That is what we need in India, I think. Uh, to dedicate to your performance and how you can relate to that character, that is more important. And we, India, we have lots of content and we can make really wonders, and now the market is also global. I think like we need more realistic characters, and also that authenticity also matters, because we are coming from Punjab, and films are making like in different regions in India. So if we give importance to the regional language also, I think we need to balance. Hindi, yes, I understand Bollywood is a huge industry, but now because I think regional films they are actually representing real India, so also big studios, they need to concentrate and how to keep that balance, that's important. Because if you are making a movie in their own language, then it's more realistic and more authentic. That is what I feel.
Anybody has any question?
That's it. Okay, thank you.
पांडे जी कुछ पूछना है?
आपको हिंदी में भी पूछना है तो हिंदी में हम बात कर सकते, कोशिश करेंगे.
शान कुछ पूछना है आपको?
आपने
Single करना है?
इसकी लैंग्वेज असमी क्यों चुनी?
सॉरी.
आप इंटरनेशनली फिल्म में कर रहे हैं, बावजूद इसके आपने इसकी भाषा असमी क्यों रखी?
नहीं, पहली बात तो शुरुआत की है मैंने, मेरे लिए अभी भी जो भी 3 फिल्में बनाई है, मेरे लिए फिल्म स्कूल जैसा ही है, क्योंकि मैंने कभी फिल्म स्कूल से नहीं आई हूँ, एसएस नहीं किया, तो मेरे लिए तो इसके लिए हमारे जो अपने क्योंकि मैं आसाम से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैं आसाम में पली बड़ी हूँ, तो मुझे अच्छे से मालूम है किस तरह से हम रहते हैं, लोगों का लाइफस्टाइल क्या है, हमारा संस्कृति क्या है, तो हमारी म्यूज़िकली हमारा वी आर वेरी रिच ऑल्सो, तो उस हिसाब से मैंने अभी तक आसाम में सीमित रखा है. लेकिन इसकी बात, ये बात नहीं है, अभी मैं 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया बॉम्बे में रहते हुए, और मुझे लगता है कि मैं, ये सेकंड होम, मेरा दूसरा घर है मुंबई, और मुझे लगता है कि मैं मुंबई के बारे में जानती हूँ, लोगों के बारे में जानती हूँ, और पहले तो मैंने खुद शुरुआत की थी, मैं खुद ही ये 3 फिल्म की प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, तो अभी मुझे दूसरा प्रोड्यूसर मिल रहा है, तो मुंबई में फ़िल्म करना भी एक मतलब एक्सपेंसिव है, आपको बजट की भी ध्यान रखना होता है. तो अब बाकी अलग अलग प्रोड्यूसर हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, तो उनके साथ मिलके बहुत जल्द मैं अभी बॉम्बे में भी फिल्म शुरू करूँगी.
विलेज रॉक स्टार टाइम में आपके साथ तरह तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स थी, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस और तरह की थी, इसलिए
Right.
आपने नॉन एक्टर से आपने रिलेटिव फैमिली मेम्बर्स को उसमें काम कराया।
Right.
लेकिन इसमें ऐसी क्या चीज़ थी कि आपने भी इसको नॉन एक्टर से ही काम कराया? आपको
सी
स्टोरी की रिक्वायरमेंट थी या
स्क्रिप्ट
फिर
का
क्यों?
डिपेंड होता है। जब विलेज रॉक्सर्स ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने वाला था, जब विलेज रॉक्सर्स पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में गई थी, तो उसी समय मैंने बुलबुल कैन सिंग शुरू कर दिया था। जो अपना जो प्रोसेस है, जैसे मेरी कज़न सिस्टर है मल्लिका दस और मैं, हम लोग सिंगल हैंडेडली, हम दोनों ही, हमारा कोई क्रू नहीं था, तो हमने ऐसे ही शुरू किया था। तो ऐसे शुरू करने के लिए जैसे मुझे पता था, क्योंकि मैं फ़िल्म स्कूल से बिलोंग नहीं करती हूँ, जैसे आपको बताया कि ये मेरा फ़िल्म स्कूल जैसा है, मुझे मालूम था कि मुझे वक्त लगेगा। जैसे विलेज रॉक्सर्स करने के लिए मुझे 3.5 साल लगे। सो मुझे बुलबुल का भी मुझे पता था कि ऐसा नहीं कि मैं एक स्केड्यूल करके 1 महीने में या 30 दिन या 50 दिन में ख़त्म कर दूँगी। तो मुझे मालूम था कि मुझे 1 साल लगने वाला है, इसके लिए मैंने वही प्रोसेस अपनाया। और एक्टर भी, एक तो बात है कि आपके गांव की स्टोरी है, तो मैं प्रोफेशनल, और ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रतिभा है हमारे गांव में जो काम करना चाहते हैं, तो और वो लोग मेरे ऊपर एक अलग तरह से विश्वास करते हैं, वो एक बात थी। और ऊपर से क्या था कि मैं कभी भी विलेज ऑफिसर्स के साथ हर महीना, क्योंकि 80 से ज़्यादा फेस्टिवल गए थे, हर महीना मैं ट्रैवल कर रही थी, तो उसी के बीच में मैं आके, वो मेरे लिए बहुत कंफर्टेबल था, वो लोग अवेलेबल होते थे, तो मैं जब भी आती फ़ोन करके बता देती थी मुझे जाना है, मूवी शूट करना है। लेकिन प्रोफेशनल एक्टर होता है तो ये सब हैंडल करना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है, आपके स्क्रिप्ट क्या डिमांड करते हैं। मेरी जो कहानी है तो वही डिमांड किया था, और वहाँ पे भी 2 एक्टर थे प्रोफेशनल। उसके सिवा कंफर्ट जोन और जो ऑथेंटिसिटी, उसको रखते हुए, उसको नज़र में रखते हुए मैंने ये किया हुआ था। हाँ जी। मेरा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आप विलेज रॉक्सर्स और बुलबुल देखोगे तो उसमें हालांकि गांव में ही किया है, कुछ ना कुछ आपको डिफरेंस दिखेगा। तो मैं अपने आप को चैलेंज करना चाहती हूँ, एक तरह की ही सिनेमा नहीं बनाना है। और एक बात होती है, जैसे अभी मैं बॉम्बे में फ़िल्म बनाऊँगी, तो बॉम्बे के माहौल के हिसाब से भी आपका सिनेमेटोग्राफी स्टाइल सब चेंज हो जाता है। जहाँ की स्टोरी है उस हिसाब से चेंजेस आएगा। हो सकता है मैं कल एक बॉलीवुड मूवी भी बना लो, तो मैं अभी कुछ नहीं बना सकती, लेकिन मेरा जो विज़न है, मैं जो चाहती हूँ, उसके साथ मुझे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना है। तो मैं अपने हिसाब से ही फिल्म बनाना चाहती हूँ। यस। थैंक यू। थैंक यू। थैंक यू। ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
हाँ, पहले एक ज्योति जी को निकलना।
Look center, ma'am. Ma'am. Yeah. Hold it. Hold please. Hold please. Ma'am, hold it. Hold it. Yeah. Just a second. Just a second.